Hello, thank you for watching this video. So in this video, we're doing question 3 of November 2019 question paper mathematics paper 1. So it's like we have series or sequences. So let's go. At 3.1, they are saying, without using a calculator, determine the value of this thing. So they say without using a calculator, let's find the value of this thing. Right? No problem. So, how do we do this? Let's find the value of this on its own and find the value of this on its own and then find the difference between them. Right? So how many terms are here? The number of terms here is equal to the top number minus the bottom number minus 1 plus 1, which is going to be 10 minus 3 plus 1. 10 minus 3 is 7 plus 1. So there are 8 terms here. There are 8 terms here and there are 8 terms here as well, because they have the same top and the bottom. So there are 8 terms in both of them. So let's find the 8 terms of this one. So if you want to find the 8 terms of this one, 10, right? Y is equal to 3 of 1 over y minus 2 is equal to. Substitute your 3 here. So you have 1 plus, substitute your 4 here. So it should be 1 over 2. Because if you substitute your 4, the next term, which is 4, substitute 4 there, it will be what? Substitute 4, it will be 1 over 2. Substitute 5, it will be 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 7. So how many there are? Should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the last one is 1 over 8. We have the terms for the first one, right? Now let's try and find the terms for the second one. So, starts from y is equal to 3. So if y over y minus 1 is equal to. So the first term, if you put 3, get 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 7. You're putting all the terms that come after 3 up to 10 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 9. So there should be 10 terms. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There should be 8 terms because there are 8 number of terms. Sorry. Then now, the left thing will find the difference between the two. Let's say this minus this. So, this minus this, say this minus this, what are you going to have? Going to have what you started with, 10, y is equal to 3, y over y minus 2 minus the sum, y is equal to 3, y over y minus 1, right, which is this, is equal to, this will cancel this will cancel that, this will cancel this will cancel that, this will cancel this, that, this. So you are left basically with 1 minus 1 over 9, right? Which is equal to, punch it in a calculator, this and this is 9, so it's going to be 8 over 9. This is your final answer. So the difference between these two things is 8 over 9. Here is it. Now we're going to go to 3.2. Looks like 3.2 have a diagram, right? So here's the first one. It's 8 over 9 because it will be this and this. It will be, 8 over 9. So the second one have this diagram here. So I'll clean this because I might need more space because it's big, right? And have a lot of statement. Fine. So I'm going to clean this and try to draw this. So be kind to my drawing. So let's try that. Okay, so now I'm done drawing the diagram here. I hope you're very kind to it. I tried. So now let's go. They are saying 3.2. A steel pavilion at sports ground comprises of series of 12 steps, of which the first 3 are drawn in the diagram. So you are given this sort of staircase here, right? You're told in total of it, there are 12 steps. So I've tried to draw to show that this one has 12 stairs going up. So this one is the first one, this one is the second one, and this one is the third one. So there are 12 steps going up. So some sort of the steel stairs, steel staircase of some sort. They're saying each step is 5 meters wide. So each of these steps are 5 meters. So it's from here to here is 5 meters, 5 meters. Wait, 5 meters here, 5 meters here, 5 meters there. All of them. They're all 5 meters wide, right? And each step has a rise of 1/3 meters. So they're telling you, see how tall the first staircase is. It's 1/3, right? So going up, it will be 1/3. This will be the first 1/3 and the second 1/3. So there will be two 1/3s here. And going to the third part, it will be the first 1/3, which is the one that we're given, and the second one, and the third one, which is for the third staircase going up. So if you're going to the 12th step, you will be having 12 1/3s. So the height of the 12th step, the height of the 12th step will be 12 of 1/3s. So it will be 12 1/3s. That will be the height of the 12th step. Okay. They are saying that, and has a thread of 2/3 meters. So they're telling you that you can see the length of it, which is going from here going to the next stair. It is 2/3. So you can see 2/3 from here to here, 2/3 from here to there, 2/3 from here to there. Maybe I can put that in the diagram. So here to here is 2/3 meters. Here to there is 2/3 meters. Right? 2/3 meters. So the height of here, of the first one is 1/3, which we have. So here is it. The height of the second one, to be the first 1/3. So, because if you look at it, first layer, right, and second layer here. So the height of the first layer is 1/3. So coming to the height of the second one, the height from here to here, this height from the base to the first 1/3 and the second 1/3. So the entire height will be 2/3. Then the height of this one, the first 1/3, second 1/3, third 1/3. There are three 1/3s here, right? Add 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. That should give you a meter. That's 1 meter. So let me try to read this thing again. They're saying a steel pavilion at a sports ground comprises of 12 steps. So there are 12 steps in total, but you are only showing 3, of which first 3 are shown in the diagram. So here the first 3, step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. No problem. They're saying each step is 5 meters wide. So you can see each one of them is 5 meters wide. All of those 5 meters here. Also 5 meters. All of them are 5 meters wide. And they are saying that each step has a rise of 1/3, which means this first one is 1/3. To go to the next one, it's going to be 1/3. This portion 1/3. So if you want the entire height of it, it's going to be the first 1/3 and the second 1/3. So it's going to be 2/3. And then third one also has a 1/3 rise. So it will be the first 1/3, second 1/3, and third 1/3. So if you add all of those 1/3s, they will give you a meter. So if you want the height of the 12th one, it should be 11, or it should be 12 1/3s, which is 12 times 1/3. Then you will get the height of the 12th one. Fine. From the ground, at least. So they are saying now, the open side shaded in the sketch, which is the side that I've shaded green here, which is this side. They are saying it's open. The open side shaded on the sketch, each of the side of the pavilion must be covered with metal steel. Calculate the area of the metal steel, of the metal sheeting needed to cover both open sides. Let me read this thing again. They are saying the open side, which is the shaded area, the shade area that I've shaded in green here, on each of the pavilion must be covered with metal sheeting, right? So they must be covered in metal sheets. Calculate the area in square meters of the metal sheeting that is needed to cover the open sides, which is both of them. So which means this side is open and this side is open. So what they want us to do, they want us to find the area of the metal sheeting that we need to cover with the sides of the side, this side and this side. So this side is shaded, is open, and so is this side. So what we need to do, we just need to find how much do we need for this side. Then whatever that we need, we're going to double it from the other side because they're both open in the exact same way. Right? No problem. So, how do we find the area of this first part? If you look at this, it's a rectangle, right? It's going to be length, which is 2 over 3 times breadth. Right? It's a length, which is 2 over 3 times breadth. Are you with me? So, the area, I'm trying to find the area of all 12 of them, right? It's going to be length times breadth. Are you with me? So, in this case, it's going to be what? What is our length? Our length is 2 over 3, right? Times the breadth. What is your breadth? So, the breadth will be 1 over 3. So, this is the first one. Plus, the second one, the length is still the same because we said that, what is it? What was it called again? They said the thread, which means the length of the steps was the same, is 2/3 in all of these steps up to the 12th one, right? Plus 2 over 3, which is your length, times depth. The depth will be this 1 over 3 first, plus the second 1 over 3. So it's 2 1 over 3s. If you add 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, add 2 of them. What will you get? You will get 2 over 3 plus the area of this one is also a rectangle. Length, which is 2 over 3, times depth. What is your depth? Your depth is this. Is this 1 over 3 plus the second 1 over 3 plus the third 1 over 3. So what do you get? You will get, it is 1 meter plus up until the last one. The last one is the 12th one, which is also be 2 over 3, right? It will also be 2 over 3 times the depth, because the 2 over 3 is for this, and the depth will be its height over there. So it will be 12 1 over 3s, right? Which means, say 12 times 1 over 3, 12 times 1 over 3, it is 4. This is the area, the area of this thing, of the side here. It is all of this. Right? Not a problem. So, but it's the area just of the green part up to the 12th step, because there's 12 of these things. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 2 over 3 as a common factor in all of them, because you can see that because the length of each of the steps is the same as 2 over 3. You can take 2 over 3 in all of them. So in that case, your area is equal to 2 over 3 into what? Into 1 over 3. Plus, which is, take this out, take this out, take this out, and all others in between, and the last one. Plus, whatever. So you're left with this, you're left with this, you're left with this, and everything in between, and left with that. So, plus 2 over 3 plus 1 plus dot 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 plus 4. That's what you are left with. Right? No problem. So, if you take a look at what you see here, you have, now I'm just going to write what is in the bracket. You have 1 over 3. Actually, let me just write on the other side. So if you look at what is on the bracket, you have 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 1 plus dot 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 up to the 12th one, which is 4. If you're looking at this, this is a series. And what kind of series is it? It's identified. It's an arithmetic series, right? So, and the difference is 1 over 3, 1 over 3. So, if you can find the sum of these 12 terms and multiply it, because we will need to know the answer of this. Because, look, we need to know the answer of this. The answer to this will be the area of the side that we're looking for. That we're going to double and get the area of the side. But, because there's a lot of these things, it's difficult to do it that way. Take out 2 over 3 as a common factor. Here is it. And then what you're left with inside, if you can find the sum of it. Multiplying it by 2 over 3 is the same thing as what you can see up there. Getting the answer to this and multiplying by this is equal to this, which is what you were looking for, which is the area that you were looking for to begin with. So, in this case, let's find this. We need to find the sum of these, right? What do you say? Now, we're going to say our area, this is for one side, right? It's equal to 2 over 3, which is what we have, times the sum of these 12 terms of this series, which is the sum of 12 terms, which is equal to 2 over 3 into 12 over 2 into 2a. What is your a? Is your first term, 1 over 3 plus n minus 1, which is 12 minus 1 times d, which is 1 over 3. So the answer that you get will be the area of this side. To get the area of the other side, you have to double the one that we have, because this is the area of the open side. So what we need to do, we need to punch that on our calculator and see what we find. Okay, found my calculator. So our area is equal to what? It's equal to 2 over 3 times whatever the answer of that is. So 12 over 2 into 2, 1 over 3 plus 12 minus 1 to 1 over 3. So the answer to this is what? The answer to this is 26, right? So 26 times 2 over 3. So it is 52 over 3 square meters. So this is the area of the side. But now if you want the area of both sides, it will be therefore area for two sides will be the double of the area of one side, will be 2 times 52 over 3, which is equal to maybe 104 over 3 square meters. Yeah. So this is the area of the two sides that is needed to fill up this thing, or to cover the size of this metal staircase that you have there. And I'm done with this question, and I hope it does make sense to you as it does to me. Thank you for watching. Cheers.